Exam, two students, while solving a quadratic equation, committed the following mistakes. One of them made a mistake in constant term and got the roots 5 and 9. Another committed an error in the coefficient of x and he got the roots 12 and 4. But in the meantime, they realized that they are wrong and they managed to get it right jointly. Find the quadratic equation. See here, in this problem, this last line is of no use to you. Means in the meantime they realize blah blah blah, forget it. Only 2 points are point number 1, point number 2 and find the quadratic equation. So point number 1 is constant term wrong and roots are 5 and 9. Coefficient of x wrong, roots are 12 and 4. Okay. So let the equation be x square plus ax plus b. Okay. We are trying it separately. Means coefficient of x we are considering it as x square, we are considering it as 1. Alpha and beta be the roots. Okay. For first condition, what is the first condition? Constant term wrong and roots are 5 and 9. So x square plus ax plus b, roots are 5 and 9. So addition of the roots is what? Minus a upon 1, right? Means coefficient of x upon x square, and that also in minus, right? And product is 5 into 9 equals to b upon 1, right? Because it's as per the equation, the addition of the roots and multiplication of the roots. It is minus b upon a and minus plus c upon a, right? In the equation ax square plus bx plus c. So similarly we will be using this over here. So equation is here 5 plus 9. Therefore take this minus sign on the other side. 9 plus 5 is 14 and it becomes minus 14. Okay, and 9 into 5 is 45. So it is c, right? Means this b over here. So it is, what is the equation then? X square minus 14x plus this 9 5 is 45, because b is 45 over here. So this is as per condition number 1. Now condition number 2. What is it? I have written the equation in other form, means instead of a and b as in the first one, I have written it in p and q, so that you don't get confused. So it is x square plus px plus q equals to 0. Now what is given? Coefficient of x was taken as wrong and roots were 12 and 4, right? So 12 and 4 are the roots. So 12 plus 4 equals to minus p upon 1, right? And 12 into 4 equals to q upon 1. Okay. Therefore the equation is what? X square minus 16x, this can solve this, means minus on this side, and 12 for the 48, that is q equals to 48. Okay. So equation is what? X square minus 16x plus 48, and in the first condition it was x square minus 16x minus 14x plus 45. Okay. See now, these are the two equations and we have to form one equation. Now what is condition 1? The constant term was wrong, means 45 was wrong. But in the second condition it's not said that constant term was wrong. In second condition, second equation, constant was right. So instead of this 45, it should be 48, because 48 is right and 45 is wrong. So put 48 in place of the constant term. And second condition is what? Equation, this coefficient of x was wrong. Okay, in second condition means 16 was wrong. So in first condition was the coefficient of x wrong? No. In first condition only constant was wrong. So coefficient of x was correct. So this coefficient of x will come in the right equation then. Therefore the equation is x square minus 14x plus 48 equals to 0. That is the required equation. A man walks a distance of 48 kilometers in a given time.